Buy direct auto insurance. Buying direct auto insurance means purchasing coverage directly from an insurance company without using an independent agent or broker. This option is convenient, often providing faster quotes and lower costs due to the absence of commission fees. Many well-known insurers offer direct auto insurance, allowing customers to purchase policies online or over the phone. How to buy direct auto insurance. Step 1. Determine your coverage needs. Decide on the level of protection required based on your state's minimum liability requirements and your personal needs. Consider additional coverages such as collision, comprehensive, uninsured motorist, and roadside assistance. Step 2. Get online quotes. Visit the websites of direct insurance providers to obtain instant quotes. Many insurers allow you to customize your policy options to see how different coverage levels affect your premium. Step 3. Compare rates and discounts. Look for available discounts such as safe driver, multi-car, good student, or bundling discounts. Comparing multiple companies ensures you get the best rate for your needs. Step 4. Review policy terms and conditions. Carefully read the fine print before purchasing. Pay attention to coverage limits, deductibles, exclusions, and claim processes to avoid surprises in the future. Step 5. Purchase and set up your policy. Once you've selected the best policy, complete the purchase online or over the phone. Set up payment preferences and review your policy documents for accuracy. Some insurers provide instant proof of insurance after purchase. Step 6. Manage your policy online. Most direct insurers offer online account management, allowing you to make payments, update information, and file claims digitally. This convenience makes policy management easier and more accessible. Buying direct auto insurance provides a quick and efficient way to secure coverage, often at a lower cost. By comparing quotes, understanding policy details, and taking advantage of discounts, you can find the best option for your budget and protection needs. To see the best offers on auto insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.